So I normally wake up anywhere between like 9 and 10 and just do my normal daily wake up rituals. Then I just go inside to make myself some breakfast. I normally have just a cup of tea, some avocado toast and an orange. I've been obsessed with oranges recently. While I'm eating breakfast, I usually watch Schitt's Creek or talk to my family, it just depends on the morning. Then I brush my teeth and sit on the couch to watch another episode of Schitt's Creek to let my breakfast settle. Then I go outside to work out. I just feel like it's a good start to the day. I feel so much more motivated throughout the day if I work out. I'm just honestly going to work out in my pyjamas. May as well. So for my workout, I normally do like 20 to 30 reps of each one of these exercises, and then I do this all again twice. Then I do some stretches. Another really nice part about me coming out and doing this in the morning is that the Wi-Fi doesn't reach out here, which means I'm forced not to look at my phone. I'm really bad. My weekly average is embarrassingly high. I can so easily get into TikTok and Instagram ruts where I'm just going back and forth between TikTok, Instagram, TikTok, Instagram, TikTok, Instagram. Especially TikTok, I can be on TikTok and the time will just run away, and then next thing you know I've literally been sitting on it for 3 hours. Something that I've come to do more at nighttime now is that when I'm going onto TikTok, I'll put on a 10 or 15 minute timer, and that just makes it easy because I know that that's my time to be able to do it, and then I have to look away from my phone. The endorphins for some reason just kick in and take over. I can be staring at my phone and be please get off your phone in my brain, and then for some reason my hand just keeps scrolling and I can't get off my phone. So it's nice to be forced to come out here and just be and it's so quiet. All you can hear is birds chirping and the river running. It's so beautiful. Then it's time for a shower. So I wash my face in the shower with the vitamin E face wash from the Body Shop. I basically use their skincare range. I have dry to combination skin, so I like things that are moisturizing. For spot treatment, I use tea tree oil from the Body Shop. And then for moisturizer, I use the vitamin E moisturizer from the Body Shop. I also have the really intense one. I only use this sometimes. Now that that's all done, I might put on a little bit of makeup to cover my spots. Only because I'm on camera. The only time I'd put makeup on now is if I was to go into town, which I see 2 people, so it feels special. I have to go do some uni now. Here I'm just creating a presentation that I needed to make for a lesson on economics and business for grade 5s and 6s from a unit that me and my group members created. Then my brother rang, so I just had a bit of a chat with him. And my sister made me some lunch, because she's an angel. So this is my quote of the day board. I actually only change it every couple of days. It was, Mike, I found the chocolate pudding.
Mike! I found the chocolate pudding!
Now I'm just changing it to a quote that I hope some people will get, but I'll play the clip anyway.
Luke. Turn the ship around. I know where Luke is.
What are you, out of your mind? What about those fighters?
I said turn us around. Turn the ship around. Leia knows where Luke is. Turn it upside down. Take it back to Bespin.
Then me and my sisters decided to go for a walk. We try and do this every day, but some days it just doesn't happen. Depends on the day. Then I just relaxed, watch a YouTube video for a little while, have a cup of tea, hang outside with my sisters and my mum. Then this washing just needed to be done, so I did it. Had a snack. Hello, Dad.
Shut up.
Say hello, Dad.
Hello, video. How are you? Oh, hello, video. How are you?
Then I knew I needed to cut up some wood for my fire tonight, so I just did that. Played some Uno with Amy, and then the sunset was just beautiful, so you'll see that in a minute. Another thing I've been doing whilst in quarantine is learning a bit of German. I went to Switzerland, as many people know, for about a month and lived there, which was really cool. But one of my favourite things about the experience was hearing German all the time, hearing another language and trying to pick up as much as I could in various different places. So I just thought, may as well run with that. I'm finding like I can read things, some sentences, obviously not all of them, but like I can try and pick up like the general gist of a sentence if the nouns aren't too hard in it. I find like the grammar's the hardest thing to like know how to structure a sentence, because I might know like a direct translation for an English sentence, but then in German you meant to say it in a completely different way. So I find that hard, but I'm really enjoying it, so I thought I'd film this little bit. And today I'm going to be learning some more verbs, I think, and some professions. Hi!
Und von dem Verb sein anschauen. Let's have a look at the conjugation of the verb to be.
I'll say a sentence. Okay. What should I say? Ich komme aus Australien und ich wohne in der Nähe von Melbourne. Meine Lieblingsfarbe ist gelb. Wie viel kosten die Äpfel? How much do the apples cost? This was my very basic dinner tonight, some chips, broccoli and cashews. Then I needed to start my fire. And change into my pajamas. What a great transition. Then comes probably one of my favourite parts of the day, just sitting on the couch with my sisters watching Dance Moms, drinking tea, eating chocolate, that sort of thing. Now I'm gonna brush my teeth and wash my face. Usually while I do this I watch a YouTube video. At the moment I'm watching Kenzie Ziegler's. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I'll just light a candle, watch some Schitt's Creek, go on my phone, read, and just kind of relax for the rest of the night. This is actually a bookmark my teacher made me when I finished year 12, because she knew I loved Harry Potter, and I still have it. Good night! I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.